thanking the folks at Kum Kee for making this one possible. I have some onions going in with some nice bell peppers, simple fried rice. I'm trying to get it as Asian as I can. Char siu. It's such a rich kind of Chinese flavored barbecue. This as the base to kind of create that lovely Asian barbecue type of flavor. In with the carrots, char siu, ham. So in goes my ham. Now I want to start add some of my Asian ingredients. So I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Oh my God, yeah. It's like a Chinese barbecue sauce basically. I want about 3 nice heaping tablespoons. I want to add some oyster sauce. It's blending well with the veggies. Oh my God, my goodness, oh my goodness.
That's going on my table.
It's on your Christmas table?
Yes.
You like it?